All right. Welcome back to another episode of Enlightening Elixirs by Life Itself. Today, we're going to show you how to make a Chaga Spritz. This one's super simple. It's going to be 2 ounces of our Chaga Concentrate. I'm going to pour that right over a glass of ice. Today, we're using a wine glass just for, fun. Then, in the meantime, Josh has been juicing about 2 ounces of orange juice. We're going to take that, add that right to the glass as well. And then we're just going to top that off with a little bit of sparkling mineral water. All right. This is a super fun drink. It's just another option, another way to consume your chaga instead of doing, in a hot beverage. You can do it in a fun, bubbly spritz. We're just going to add a little orange zest right on top. Boom. There it is. Ooh, man. Nice. The orange juice just really pops off with the earthiness. It's a really cool combo.